Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default recording length on your PlayStation 5. So if you want to record a little bit longer or something like that, well, it's very easy to do. So go up to settings right here and scroll on down to captures and broadcasts. Then under captures, we can go to the right and go to shortcuts for a create button. And for some reason, it's listed on here, but we got the length of recent gameplay video clips. So we can change that around right here, 30 seconds, 15 seconds, up to 1 hour of gameplay you can record. So if you double press this, you can't record the screen, but you can just record the last 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Usually I just go to this option right here under the share and create button, and I can just pick how long I want to record. So you got that as an option too. Also look at screenshot format, video clip format, if you want to save it as an MP4 or at 4K or 1080p, I can go back to 1080p or 4K right here. But yeah, just look at those options. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.